Welcome everyone, in today's video I will show you how you can do voiceover on TikTok. This tutorial will be step by step, so make sure you follow carefully. When you open TikTok, if you look down you will see plus button made for making and publishing videos. You click on that, then you can make a new video here like me, or you can upload prepared video from your gallery. After your video is ready for importing voiceover, you will look at the right side options made for editing. You will see microphone icon and you must click there. Then a new interface will open up. Now your video is automatically paused, but you can tap on screen and unpause it. Lower left corner is where all magic starts. While video is playing, you must hold that and talk in microphone to make voiceover. Thank you guys for watching. We came to an end of this tutorial. If you enjoyed it, please leave a like, hit that subscribe button for more tutorials like this.